Welcome to Tickleipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the Windows 11 23H2 update on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first what you want to do is just go ahead and click on your start button. Then from here, you want to just search for settings. Then you'll find settings in the best match. Just open up settings. Just maximize the settings window. Then from here on the left hand menu screen, you'll find Windows Update. Just click on it. In here, what you have to do is you just have to click on check for updates. Just click on this. Then just patiently wait. It will check for updates on your PC. And after the check has been done, you'll find Windows 11 version 23H2 ready to be downloaded and installed for your system. Now the update is about 5 GB, so it will take a while to download and install. So what you need to do is just click here on download and install, and it will automatically install the update for you. And that is how to get Windows 11 23H2 update on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.